Hello kids, welcome back to Alphabets Academy. Today we will learn all about the following animals, such as cows, sheep, horses, chickens, pigs and goat. We will start with cows. A baby cow is called a calf. Cows eat grass, alfalfa, clover, and hay. Fun fact about cows. Cows can smell things up to 6 miles away. Now, we will learn about horses. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses eat grass, hay, corn, and oats. They also eat fruits and vegetables. Fun fact about horses. Horses sleep standing up. Now, we will learn about pigs. The baby of a pig is called piglet. Wild pigs will eat leaves, roots, fruit, and rodents. Fun fact about pigs. Pigs can't sweat. Now, we will learn about sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep eat mostly grass, plants, and seeds. Fun fact about sheep. Sheep have rectangular pupils. Now, we'll learn about chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chickens eat grass, bugs, fruit, vegetables, and even table scraps. Fun fact about chickens. Chickens dream when they sleep. Now, we will learn about goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goats eat shrubs, trees, hay, and grains. Fun fact about goats. Goats do not have front teeth in their upper jaw. Thanks kids. Keep learning. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.